Today I want to share with you a recipe that will help transform your health. The main ingredient in this recipe is a whole lemon, not just the juice of a lemon. Now, there are 5 major compounds found in lemons. We have Esterridine, citric acid, Diosmine, D-limonene, and lastly citrine. As earlier mentioned, the first on the list is citric acid. This is the organic acid found in lemons that help prevent the formation of kidney stones. The next major compound is Esterridine. Esterridine is classified as a bioflavonoid. It is an antioxidant that strengthens your blood vessels and prevents the formation of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of fatty deposits in your blood vessels. It helps with issues like high blood sugar and high levels of fat in the blood after eating. As we all know, obesity is a risk factor for serious health conditions like high blood sugar, hypertension, stroke, and cancer. Esterridine helps fight obesity. Researchers discovered that Esterridine, along with some other compounds found in lemons, prevented the development of malignant tumors in the tongue, in the lungs, and in the colon of rodents. The next major compound is Diosmine. It is an antioxidant that affects the circulatory system. Diosmine improves muscle tone and reduces chronic inflammation in your blood vessels. In a study, chronic kidney disease was created in rats, and these rats had very weak bones and bad bone structure as a result of chronic kidney disease. Diosmine was administered and it was found to help keep their bones strong and healthy. It also improved bone formation and hardness. Citrine is another powerful compound that is found in lemons. This antioxidant is found in the lemon peel and juice. It can help fight off harmful things in your body and has been shown to be powerful against conditions like diabetes, allergies, cancer, and inflammation. Moving on, we have D-limonene, another amazing compound found in lemons. Many studies have shown that it can help prevent different kinds of chronic and harmful diseases. It acts as an antioxidant, helps with diabetes, fights cancers. D-limonene reduces inflammation, protects your heart and stomach, boosts your immune system, and much more. To make this amazing recipe, you will need 1 whole organic lemon, a glass of water, that's about 250 ml of water, and 4 to 6 pitted dates without the seeds. Blend all in a blender and drink at least 3 times a week. Like every other thing, please do not take it in excess. If you notice any irritation, just reduce the number of lemon seeds blended. Now, I made a video on the signs and symptoms of kidney stones to watch out for before they become an emergency. Click the video here to watch it. If you find this information valuable, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.